Hey, welcome to the channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more pressure washing and painting content. So today I'm going to be pressure washing this patio. You can see it's got a lot of green algae, some mildew, mold on it. So house is down by the ocean. It gets a lot of shade on this side of the house and this patio, so it tends to get dirty pretty fast. So first off, I'm going to rinse everything down, soak everything really well, especially the vegetation. Protects it from the chemicals when I pre-treat. Next up, I'm going to use a foam cannon. I have mold armor, chlorinated liquid for pools, and Dawn Platinum. That's a pretty good mix to kill the green algae. And if you don't have that, you could always use just household bleach and whatever liquid soap you have for your dishes will work okay. Or you can go to Home Depot or one of the big box stores and you can buy the higher grade professional chemicals. I get my stuff at Walmart actually. Chlorinated liquid for pools. It's about $6 a gallon, and it's 10% as SH, so it's a good strong sodium hypochlorite. And here I'm using a Surface Max Pro Turbo Nozzle. I'm trying to keep it back because the slate, the bluestone, sometimes it'll flake off and chip, so you don't want to go too hard with the pressure on that. And you can see the foam sticks around for a while, so the chemicals have a long time to activate and work. This guy really doesn't like bleach on his houses, so you gotta go easy on the chemicals here, but you gotta put enough to at least treat the organic growth. You can see people think because the foam cannon, the foam's going to take forever to rinse. It gets so diluted as you're working that by the time you finish, the stuff's it's dissipated. And I just painted this garage door last year. 3 coats. I used Benjamin Moore Aura, and that's chrome green. They wanted the whole house painted this year, but then they decided they want to wait till next year. So I'm here. I did the pressure washing at this house, and then they own the house next door. It's a 3-story house with decks wrapping around, so I did all the decks there. These houses are nice. They're right on the ocean in Newport, Rhode Island. Really upscale area. He lives right on the side of the Newport Country Club. It's funny. My name's Peter Griffin. I feel like Peter Griffin's always going to Newport with his wife's father, Carter Peter Schmidt. Anyway, this is what it looks like when it's done. Nice and clean. Looks brand new again. And this is the view from the house. I just wanted to show you the view. Big money here.